Before you give me my money,
this is gonna be priceless, dude.
Wait, is that a cop?
No, that's the girl I saw in the room. They're gonna look up like, what the fuck? Then I should go ask him for a cigarette.
Get a spot. Before you give me my money, back.
I want it.
This is gonna be good. You got her face, dude?
No, not yet.
Get it on her damn face now. Do what you gotta do, Paul. You're gonna miss her face.
I got it right here. Alright, I got
Well,
it.
we're gonna be moving, so
Bobby's
you might want to get the back window. Go like this in the back window.
Oh yeah, I got it right here.
We should just drive around like one day and just do this to every restaurant in fucking Massachusetts.
Main toy.
I don't know, I can't see your face.
Is this what like?
Dude,
Just jump chicken shit. You reacted good.
that was so good. Alright, now you ran it out.
Yo, this one does fit, dude.
No, it doesn't. It's too small.
No, it's not.
Oh, that guy.
Carrot, dude.
Look, dude, honestly, that doesn't fit.
I know,
that.
yes, this is the one. I'm saying get the other one, put it up to this.
No. See?
Yeah, it is.
It's the wrong size.
How the fuck do they have so many different sizes?
It's friggin' sweet. That was good.
Where's the other side? Where's the other one I have?
Oh, good.
You
That
have
one right
another
there.
one?
Yeah, get the other one from the old one.
Where is it?
Down here somewhere.
What do you mean? Oh, you still got some? Oh my god, that was so funny.
Yo, it's not down.
That was the best thing I've probably ever seen. Two times in one day.